Hi everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. We're going to jump into a 16 by 76. We call this home the Howe, and we've got some hot deals coming up. Be sure to check our webpage, www.factorydirecthomes.com, and you can check out some hot deals and some good prices. Let's go in and check it out. It's too windy to be standing outside. Ooh, I love this house. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, largest single wide we make, 1,152-ish, 53 square feet, coming into a wide open living area, which has a very nice wall for an entertainment wall. We've got thunder on the floor, Casper cashmere on the wall. All of the colors in this home are still available, by the way. We've done a little bit of changes with the accent walls, but we can talk about that in a moment. We've added colonial cove over the window, wide open to this beautiful kitchen area. Let's get into it. We've got a pantry, pull-out drawers, black cabinet handles, white solid hardwood. This is how you tell. You don't know how many customers have come in for a visit and said, oh my gosh, I saw that in the video. Lazy Susan, and another cabinet that's too high up for me to reach. And the difference is you saw a video called the Matson where we didn't see that top cabinet. But in this home, I took the cabinets all the way to the ceiling. So we had to add that extra cabinet in there. 42-inch cabinets to the ceilings, one of my faves. Also drawers over doors, another one of my faves. This is our heavy graded gas stove. We've added a stainless steel appliance package in here. Microwave over the range, gas stove with a dishwasher, and you've got your sink in the island. Let's see what's underneath. Got some storage here, a bank of drawers here. We did a full wall behind the range of subway tile. Now, new for 2025, we've switched everything over to ceramic, but we have some really neat ceramic coming up. When you do the cabinets to the ceiling, you're also going to get fully adjustable cabinets. So you're going to see in there the inserts to be able to adjust your shelving. This hutch is a fan favorite. So you're going to have the bottom as well as the storage in the top. We've got some bookshelves on the side, a pleated glass with adjustable shelving in there, and then some more decorative cutouts on the other side. Let's see what's underneath. Okay. So what's nice here is you still have an island, but plenty of space to put a table over here. Lysola on the countertop. Also one of my faves. We've added some mini blinds. Now this home, unfortunately, is about to leave us. So make sure that you come in here and take a look at it and walk through it with me before it heads out. We've sold this home. 9-light residential door. This is the back door. And what's nice about this floor plan is you have a separate laundry area that you can close off. Oops. So when you open the door, you've got your electrical panel here, and then your washer dryer behind the door. We've added some optional washer dryer cabinets. There's going to be your water shut off. We also have a gas dryer available. Now all of the appliances are going to come standard electric, and you can change them to gas if you like. Also on the electrical service, it's going to start out as 100, but you can switch that to a 200 if you want. This is a split bedroom floor plan, meaning we've got bedrooms on each side. And here we're going to find a pantry. Another great feature of the Howe. Nice, spacious primary bedroom. with a spacious walk-in closet as well. Connected to your primary bedroom is going to be your primary bath. Get some lights on in here for you. Hi, everybody. We've added the 2-seater shower. As well as a 14 by 40 window. We've got an 019 over the commode linen. Standard 3-bulb light strip. Standard vanity. And notice how we've switched up the countertop color in the bathroom and the kitchen. So you can do that if you like. Heading back to the other end of the home. Let me pick up the pace here. I'm Christina. I'm also the mobile home mama. And I know you. If you'd like to come visit, give me a call, 260-383-1009. Put you in a real nice hotel. Here's a furnace on the way down the hallway with a furnace door. Now here's something I have preached about on all of my videos. When you have a hallway like this, be sure to add a window in the hallway. You can see here how much light that brings into the hallway. I've turned off the recessed lighting and it's just amazing. You could even add a larger window if you like. Here's bedroom number 2. Let's go in and check out the closet size. I don't have the floor plan with me, so I can't really tell you the bedroom size, but if you give me a call, I'm happy to go through it with you. Better yet, come and see me. Come walk through this baby with me. Down at the end of the hallway, we're gonna see bathroom number 2, and look what happens when you have the bright white. Everything is just bright as bright could be. 019, standard tub shower, and I even got a little window behind the door. Here we go into bedroom 3. Also spacious, so I imagine you can walk in, you can put a dresser right there. Plenty of space for a bed. Full, if you would want. Even a queen would fit in here. Remember, www.factorydirectmobilehomes.com and check out our hot deals and come see this baby before it heads to its new owner. As always, thanks for watching.